Did you know your body can get addicted to sugar, almost like a drug? Sounds shocking, right? Welcome to Quick Physiology. When you eat sugary foods, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical linked to pleasure and reward. This makes you crave more sugar again and again. But here's the scary part. Too much sugar over time can affect your energy, mood, weight, and even your heart health. Your brain starts expecting these quick pleasure signals regularly. Understanding this hidden effect of sugar can completely change your eating habits. Want more mind-blowing body facts? Subscribe now and stay tuned with Quick Physiology.